Alright guys, randomized forward break 283 divisions. AFC North on top, NFC West on the bottom. Shane Sterling on top, Trevor Nelson on the bottom. 5 or greater, guys. Good luck. Six. We got NFC South on top, AFC East on the bottom. Come on, clicker.